How to fix Roblox Error Code 533. So if you find this video helpful, click that subscribe button and the bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So Roblox is not working or your privacy is blocking Roblox. Here's what you should do. First, go to your start button of your computer right here, and then what you would do next is just to type in Roblox. As you can see, there is Roblox player here, and then what you need to do is find for the open file location. Click on that. So once you can see here the Roblox icon or shortcut, go to open file location and then find the Roblox player beta. In the player beta, go to your properties, go to compatibility of these properties settings, and then make sure that the app is run or will be run as a administrator. And then click on apply. And what you need to do next is go to your browser, and in your browser just log in your Roblox and go to your settings by clicking on the gear icon at the top. Go to settings, and in the settings parts, go to privacy, and here under account restrictions you must disable this button in order for you to launch Roblox and this or any other server. So this will allow you to launch any servers because there are no more restrictions. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.